The nation of democratic patience, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Pakistan's path. The Sri Lankan case, an example of democratic resilience. Sri Lanka's tumultuous political crisis in the July 2022 was a spectacle witnessed by the world. Protesters stormed the presidential palace, seizing it a wave of popular discontent. Yet, despite the chaos, a power vacuum never truly formed. There was no space for opportunistic movement led by student leaders, NGOs, or those holding dual citizenship. Instead, the nations returned to stability, allowing established democratic processes to take the reign. Bangladesh is the cautionary tale of impatience. In a stark contrast, Bangladesh's political trajectory offers a different narrative. After forcing its incumbent leader into exile, the country descended into a chaotic mix of governance by unelected officials, technocrat NGOs, and ever closest Islamists. Bangladesh's instability further deepened with the introduction of military figure into a position of governance, a move that has only heightened that disillusionment of its citizens. A broader regional context, Nepal and Pakistan, the Nepal's journey towards the democracy has been fraught with its own challenges since the end of its monarchy. In 2006, the country has seen 8 prime ministers over the period of just 16 years, despite the political instability. Nepal remained committed to the democratic processes. Its struggle isolated that democracy is not a linear but it is a continuous evolving system that requires perseverance, reflections, and patience. Pakistan to serve as a striking example of what you can go wrong when the democracy is sidelined for expediency. Similar to Bangladesh, Pakistan has allowed non-democratic forces to shape its governance at various points, with military interventions and technocratic rules leading to the repeated cycle of instability. Without the patience of endure, the misses of the democracy countries like Pakistan end up trapped in a perpetual loop of a crisis and fragility. What democratic patience matter? What can we learn from this different trajectory? The overreaching lessons is clear. Democratic patience is essential for the nation's survival and growth. Democracies are not immune to crisis, but those that have a patience to endure through the difficulty phases emerge stronger. Countries that fall for the allure of rapid or political fixes, whether through unelected bodies or the populist movements, often find themselves more fractured in the long term. The vital role of patience in a democratic survival, the experience of Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Pakistan is related a border through about the nature of democracy. While political systems may falter and face crisis, those who maintain a democratic patience are more likely to survive and thrive.